So naside to put it try. Make myself and I happens all the time. Then you tell me I can get you off my mind. I'm fake faces in a minute. Fake faces come and go. Maganda yung yung overboard pag may kaduwit. Nakalimutan ko kasi yung eh. Wait, kunin ko yung ko, yung tablet ko. Wait lang. Everybody's laughing in my mind. Do you do what you did when you did with me? Daddy love it the way I can. You forget. 'Cause baby I did it. That should be me, holding your hand. That should be me. No one making you laugh. Alam niyo, pag pinapatugtog namin yan, biglang lahat bibitaw, tapos kakantahin lang yung mga adlib. Alam niyo yan? Yung mga ganong... So magtitingin na kayo. Ako nga gagawa ng adlib eh. No one making you laugh, no baby. That should be me. Pinapakinggan ko kasi ngayon si Dijon eh. Tsaka si Joy something. No one making you laugh, no. Kaibigan ko. Ganda rin yung kaibigan ha. Oh, kaibigan ko. Ano ba yung lyrics ng kaibigan? Di na maalis sa isipan kong lahat ng to. Gabi-gabi ka nang gumugulo. Maaari bang aminin kung ano sinasabi ng mga mata mo? Oh. Mustard. Okay din yung mustard. Bakit kasi ayaw kumunik? Anak ka ng teting ka naman, oh. Oh, better do you love me or not? Nothing shot. You said forever, babe. You said forever. But you said forever, babe. Ano ba ito? No? Did you mean or not? Hold on. Ayaw gumana. Hindi ako Alam nyo, mayroong part doon. Ang galing lang. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko pa na-compare. Doon sa kanta ni Bruno Mars ni Lady Gaga, Dying with a Smile. Sa music video yun. Yung, I think last chorus part ni Lady Gaga. Kasi nagsisigarilyo siya doon. Tapos yung lahat ng pagkanta niya ng choruses clean. Pero during the part where she like tried to light up a cigarette or yung nagganon siya. Nilagay niya habang kumakanta siya, nilagay niya dito yung sigarilyo niya. Tapos parang, I don't know if intentional siya, minimik nila yung sound kung paano kumakanta kapag may sigarilyo dito. Or possible din sa editing lang na parang iniki nila para mag-appear na she was singing ng may cigarette sa bibig. I don't know, pero wala lang. Ang galing lang nung part na yun kasi parang kung ano yung nakikita mo visually sa music video, yun yung nadidinig mo. Parang, ano naman? Sorry. Parang agad siya. Galing. Panoorin nyo. Pakinggan nyo. Ano nyo makikita? Wala kasing internet eh. Ayaw eh. Ay. Tapos favorite kong video sa internet ngayon, yung bata na kumanta ng Die With A Smile. Sobrang sincere and innocent ng boses. I just woke up from a dream. Ganon yung tunog niya. Ganda. When you and I had to say goodbye. Tsaka gusto ko rin yung alam nyo, favorite ko yung Eternal Sunshine na album ni Ariana Grande. Tapos meron siya, Eternal Sunshine ba yung pumagat nun? Basta yun, yung album niya maganda. Gusto ko yung concept, yung kanta, yung Eternal Sunshine. Meron pa siyang acapella dun na part, acapella ng yung intro. I don't know, no. Now I don't care. How to chase the truth. If the sun refused to shine, baby, would I still be your lover? Would you want me there? Is the moment dark tonight, baby? Would you be the one on your mind? You're mine. And if it all ended tomorrow, would you be the one of mine? Diba? So, yeah. Sorry for those who are watching. My internet is not really good right now. Ooh. If the sun refused to shine, maybe would I still be your lover? Would you want me there? Ay, gusto ko panoorin yung Michael Jackson movie. Gusto ko panoorin yun. Namimiss ko manood sa mga theater. Iba kasi yung sound pa rin talaga sa mga theater eh. Siyempre, acoustically treated yon. Tapos Dolby Atmos sound. I just woke up from a dream, and you and I had to say goodbye. I don't know what it all means. Stuck with you. Ako din yung Stuck with you. Pero mas trip ko yung kanta ni yung Almost Is Never Enough ni Ariana Grande. With Nathan, di ko alam. Yun din, nakakanta ko madalas kapag naglilinis. Yung, ano ba yan? Almost Never Enough. Yun din rin yun. Adele songs. Favorite ko Adele din. I just woke up from a dream, when you and I had to say goodbye. I don't know what it all means, but since I've survived I realize wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow. I'ma love you every night. Yeah, si Lizzy, ang galing. Ganda rin ang cover ni Lizzy ng There's a night with you, I'm thinking of you. Pag may nadidinig akong malupit or something that's really great, ang first expression ko is, loko ka. Kasi parang, galing, parang ganun siya. So, pag nakita niyo ako sa mga vlog, hindi siya derogatory. Reaction mo. Ay, malupit talaga. Michael Jackson song. Favorite Michael Jackson song? Madami. Hindi ko makapili. Sobrang dami. Favorite Nicki song? Gusto ko yung Lala Lost You. Favorite, guys, I'm not sure if some of you are gonna watch later sa Aurora Day 2, but you're gonna miss something if you don't watch it. I don't know if tickets are still available, or I don't know if it's already sold out, but you should watch us perform and other performers today. I think, syempre, pag day 2 naman, syempre, laging may something na new eh. I feel like yun ganun siya. Kasi syempre, parang yung mga artists, yung mindset niyan, when they perform sa isang festival or something concert na day 1, they always change something sa day 2. Para naman may something special din sa day 2, di ba? Kasi syempre, people are going to upload videos from day 1 already. So, like, sometimes it takes the magic kung ano man yung experience nung mga pupunta sa day 2 from day 1. Pero ayun, siguro I think that's ano ba yun? I like to say candy. Ano ba yung second verse na? I like to change. Hindi. I like to blame it. Hindi. Yung second verse. Almost is never enough. Ano, nakalimutan ko. I like to change. Hindi. I like to pray. Hindi, I like to say we gave it a try. Hindi, verse 1 yun eh. If I could change the world overnight, there'd be no such thing as goodbye. You'd be standing right where you were, and we get the chance we deserve. No one try to deny it as much as you want, but in time our feelings will show. Loko ka. I like to change sooner or later. Pag sa tama na 12:30, turning this off. I can only my social battery runs for an hour only. So yeah, I don't want to keep staring at the camera.